We're at the City of Bedford Bark Park to conquer nature deficit disorder for ourselves and for Dexter. A lot of educators get stuck inside. It's really important to get out and get vitamin D, get some, sunshine, light, oxygen. It's really relaxing. You can see Dexter in the background having a great time. So I think it's great to have like a list of places to go just to get some sunshine, get out, boost your mood in natural ways. So fighting nature deficit disorder. Stay tuned for the next video.